Hello. This is a mobile app of a coffee shop I developed with Zepto and jQuery. Um, and in the back end, I use Node.js and MongoDB database. Let's go from the beginning. At first, is a simple animation. After 5 seconds, I will go to either the sign in, sign up page or the main page because I use the cookie to remember the user information. So if the user logged in before, when they re-logged in, it will go directly to the main page as long as they didn't log out the last time. Well, if this is the first time, it will go to the sign up this page, and you can either sign up or sign in. I'll go from the sign up page. In this page, there is a validation here for you to enter. You have to enter everything in this form. I'll test for you. Let's say at first I didn't enter the name. I'll enter email address. I'll it's a little small. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, if I click sign up, because I didn't enter a name, it will ask me to enter the name. If I enter the name, and then you can say those two passwords do not match, so I have to enter exactly the same password. Now if I click sign up, well, because this username has been entered, everything I entered, those value will be sent to the server code and also check with the database. So they found this user has been registered. So I have to use a different email address. I match them based on the email address. So let's use something different. Okay. Well, before I do that, let me show you. You can say I have like 4 accounts in my users. Now, let me click this one. Okay. So I have logged in as the name Serena. So now let me go back to my database. I just quickly show you. So now you can see the username Serena has been registered. Just show you they are already entered into the database. So now I'll make a little smaller. I'll test the sign-in page for you. Okay, let's go to the sign-in page. Okay. I'll use Sarah. I have this name in my account, in the user's account. Right. Well, let's say at first I enter something wrong. Maybe I just finish the first email address. Okay, let's say I enter the wrong password. If I click sign in, it will say email or password is wrong. I have to enter everything correctly. So the password is 1, 2, 3. So now you can say I logged in again. But I also sometimes if you forget your password, I can use the email address to retrieve your password. Click here. Again, let's say yeah, because I entered the email address wrong, it gave me a message that says we don't have this email address in the account. So I can either go back to sign up or try again. And let's enter a correct email address. If I click submit, So I will receive an email. In the Node.js, I use a simple template to write email. It's a little slow. Yeah, it's coming now. So now you can say I have I use a fake address, email address. You can see this is a email address, and this is the name, and now the Sarah will receive this message. This is a little different from the real email address, but I just want to use to demonstrate that I can use Node.js with some template to send email. So now let's go back to sign in. The information has been entered here, so I just click sign in. You can say I sign in again. So now I'll test for you, because I sign in to the coffee shop already. If I go from the beginning, because I use the cookie to remember the username, now it will go directly to the main page. So you don't need to sign in every time. Okay. So now this is the navigation part. At first, if I click orders, because I haven't ordered anything, I will receive this message. Now, okay, I have two shortcuts for you to go to the main page. One is the home page. Click this one, it will go back to the main page. If I go to the orders again, okay. Oh, something is wrong here. I should empty this one. Every time I have to empty this message. Okay, if I go back to the main page again, yeah, this is another shortcut. I click this one, it will go back to the main page. So now let's say the products. Now I will receive all the data from the database and get this list. Let's order something at first. You can say I ordered one is the normal coffee, another one is a cappuccino. So if I go to the order page, you can say everything has been calculated here. So let's say I want to use the coupon. I can use any of this. I will add the 10% to the order, but I also want to use those coupons. But let's say at first I didn't order the iced latte or iced mocha. I'll try this one. Well, because you didn't order this product, so even you click that coupon, you cannot use that coupon. You can say that coupon is not entered here. So let's go back to the product list. So now I order iced latte. Go to the orders, because I already add the coupon to my order. If I go back here, you can say because I ordered this iced latte, this coupon will be used. So now, if you want to remove your coupon, remove some of the product, just simply click the remove button. Let's say if you remove your iced latte, so this coupon will also be removed. And as you can see, the tax and total everything will be recalculated. You will get the correct numbers. That's it.